Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to set up Mailchimp emails so you can send them to your audiences. First guys, when you try to open Mailchimp for the first time, it will be looking something similar to this. We need to adjust it a little bit. We go here to the left and click on campaigns. Now here you will find every campaign that you have. In case you are going to send a lot of emails, then I suggest you to start from here. But for now, we're just going to create an email. So click on create and choose what type of email you would like to send. There is the regular one, a plain text, so it's going to be only text, and the template. So a regular, design and send regular emails to your contacts. Plain text, design and send plain text emails to your contacts, and template, design your own template or tailor a pre-designed one to fit your brand. Let's go with the regular one. Let's give it a name, email. Let's name it YouTube and click on begin. Here are the steps that we have to follow. To whom we would like to send the email, from which email address we will send it, the subject, the time, and the content. The first one is by uploading contact. We've made a video about it, so make sure to check it out. Once you have added the contact, choose here the email address that you will be sending it from. Then here add a subject, which is the title or the reason why you are sending this email, the time when you want to send it, and the content. To have the content, click on design email right through here, and you will be able to choose a template and design it and work on it. Once you have designed it, which we made a lot of videos about designing templates on Mailchimp, you need to check them out. After that, go ahead and click on send. And just like that, you have made a template, you made an email, and now you will be able to send it to your contacts. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.